Today we have something truly special from the Porsche world, a 1963 356B Carrera. B Carrera 2, as it's called on occasion. And it is signal red with tan, matching numbers, original color combination, Conquer quality, collector owned for quite some time before our taking it on trade towards another car in our inventory. And I can't wait to take this one for a ride because 4 cams rev and they are fun. Alrighty, well, like a Porsche does, starts right away. Great 4 cam, great oil pressure. We're going to warm it up and put it through its paces as we normally do. 4 cams are actually exceptional. Their high revving engines are superb, probably why they won so many hill climbs. They're great fun to drive. They have really good power. They sound great. And there are only 251 of them produced for the world as far as B Carreras. So they're extremely rare. And then of course there's condition. And condition is everything. And this one is superb. Has had exceptional ownership in the past, service history, and
howdy ho.
Well, we're almost at operating temperatures. We're just cruising around a little bit. Windows open, vent windows open. It's 80 degrees out, so it's nice to get a little cross ventilation. As I was speaking to Jason, he was saying, you know, what sort of series was this in comparison to the other 356s of the era? And this is the big daddy. So, you know, while Grandpa was putting on his lederhosen, the Red Baron was getting ready to hop into his Carrera to go to the plane because they were both equally as fast. So, how's that for an analogy? Grandpa versus the Red Baron. Whatever the case, a Carrera is special in absolutely every way, shape, and form. This is probably one of the nicest 356 Carreras we've owned, and we've been lucky enough to have several over the years. You know, as you can see, it's got great power and great brakes. Several years ago, I owned an Oslo Blue 356 Carrera. Actually, I had a sunroof as well, and I took it on the Rams one where it was extremely happy and probably drove better after the 1,500 miles we put on it, and it was flawless. I just like to be used, but it was awesome. Just fun. Cruise all day long, quickly, fun on the back roads, all Porsche. Great gearbox and clutch. You know, you could see how they could pull up through the hills in rallying racing because the 4 cam pulls with the best of them. Let's see, let's get on a little bit. It is fun. She's comfortable, happy. Right? Honey, you want someone to use you instead of just putting you in the garage or polishing you with a diaper. Although that's kind of nice too. But it's more like going to a spa, you know, in my opinion. So as you can see, she cruises with the best of them, corners with the best of them, revs with the best of them, has great horsepower, Great brakes, clutch, gearbox, steering. It is, again, one of the finest we've had over the years. We're gonna pull over and jettison Jason for our flybys. Yeah, Jason.
Here we go.
Yo, you gotta get out. You gotta get out. Please get out. Please. Get out of the car. Absolutely everything is superb in this. Look at this. Awesome glove box. Concord quality clean. We enjoyed the flybys, or I enjoyed the flybys. I hope you all enjoy the flybys when you get to watch the video. It is a turnkey 356 Carrera. This one is perfect. Perfect. Alrighty, well, let's go. First gear. Second gear. Third gear. We're not even attempting to accelerate hard. Fourth gear. Then if you want to get on a little bit, of course you do. Third gear. Let's go. 2-liter 4-cam power. Just smooth, wonderful. I don't know what the German word would be for this. Wouldn't be Fahrvergnügen, would it? No,
Maybe
that would not
Wunderbar.
be. Wunderbar. Wunderbar is just funniest. Shaggy, got anything to say?
Well, this is one very, very special ride. I mean, we're in a 1 of 251 example Porsche. I mean, it is exceptional in all ways. We have no idea how many still remain, but I can tell you this one, no pun intended, was the apple of somebody's collection, the apple of somebody's eye, for sure.
Thank you, Jason.
My pleasure. And if you like this video, please be sure to give us a thumbs up, like. We love to read the comments. We do read and respond to the comments. We love it. We love it. Comment away. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. It is awesome.
It is.
Awesome.
Tally ho.